Okay guys, here's the stuff that we're gonna need for the lettuce wraps. It's quite a bit of stuff, but I will link everything below in the description bar. We have 1 pound of turkey, ground turkey, 1 pound of ground pork, some Bibb lettuce, or whatever lettuce you like. You can use romaine or just iceberg lettuce. A cup of matchstick carrots, 3 sliced baby onions, 1 cup of chopped mushrooms, 1 cup of chopped water chestnuts, a 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce, 1 chile serrano slice, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 2 garlic cloves minced, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 large clove of ginger root chopped small, and 2 teaspoons of sriracha sauce. I know it's a lot guys, but it's worth every single item. And I'm going to take you over to the stove so we can start with the meat. Okay, we are now at the stove. I have added a little bit of olive oil, about a teaspoon, and then we're going to add our sesame oil. And this needs to get pretty hot, and we are going to put in our meat. And before doing anything, we are going to salt. Not too much salt because we do have soy sauce going in, but we need to season the meat now. Salt and pepper to taste. Okay, I'm going to break this down, and I'll be back as soon as this is cooked. Okay, now that the meat, as you can see, it's real nice and toasty, I am going to take it out of the pan, and I'm going to transfer it to a bowl that we're going to keep here on the stove, and we're going to work on the vegetables. Move this over. We are going to add a little bit more of oil, and again, you want the fire hot. About another teaspoon of oil. We are going to put in our mushrooms, and we're going to cook those down for about 10 minutes till they get real nice and soft. Okay, now that the mushrooms are ready, this fire is very hot. We are going to add in our ginger. I'm going to put half of the ginger and the garlic. Now we are going to start adding in, I'm going to lower the fire just a little bit. We're going to start adding in everything for the sauce. Okay, there's the hoisin, the soy, the fish sauce, the sriracha, and the lime juice. We're going to give this a stir. And then we're going to put our meat back in after this cooks down just a little bit. We're going to reduce it so that the flavors come out. And we're going to put in our carrots now at this point, and a few of the scallions, and the water chestnut, and we're going to put our meat back in. And you give this a good stir. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to pop y'all back around so we can assemble our lettuce wraps. Okay guys, I assembled the lettuce wraps, and all I do is just I get a leaf of lettuce and I just put the serving that I want on top, and I garnish them with the sliced chile serranos and some of the spring onions. And that's very enjoyable for this time of year. It's pretty quick, and you can make the meat ahead of time and then just pull out the lettuce and you're ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channels, and please share on your social media. Thank you so much for watching guys. Talk to y'all later. Bye.